Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use castor oil for hair growth so you can get thicker, longer, and healthier hair, no matter your hair type. If you've been struggling with thinning edges, slow growth, or breakage, castor oil might just be your new best friend. So make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share the #1 mistake people make when using castor oil that could be stopping their hair growth. Castor oil is a thick, nutrient-rich oil extracted from castor beans. The magic comes from a compound called ricinoleic acid, which increases blood circulation to your scalp, feeding your hair follicles with nutrients and oxygen. It's also rich in omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, vitamin E, and proteins, basically a superfood for your hair. These nutrients help strengthen the hair shaft, lock in moisture to prevent breakage, soothe dry, itchy scalp, fight bacteria and fungi that can cause scalp issues. And if you've heard about Jamaican black castor oil, that's just a roasted version of castor oil, which gives it a darker color and slightly stronger scent. Many people love it for its deep, penetrating power. Not all castor oil is created equal. For the best results, look for cold-pressed castor oil, keeps the nutrients intact. 100% pure with no additives. Jamaican black castor oil if you want something more potent. Pro tip: if you have a sensitive scalp, you can mix castor oil with lighter oils like coconut, jojoba, or olive oil. This makes it easier to apply and reduces the heaviness. Here's the step-by-step method. Start with a clean scalp. Wash or co-wash your hair first to remove buildup. This helps the oil absorb better. Section your hair. Use clips to divide your hair into 4 to 6 parts so you can target your scalp evenly. Warm the oil slightly. Place your bottle in a cup of warm water for a few minutes. Warm oil penetrates better and feels amazing during application. Apply to the scalp. Use a dropper or your fingertips to apply the oil directly to your scalp. Don't just pour it all over. Precision is key. Massage for 5 to 10 minutes. Use circular motions to stimulate blood flow. This is one of the biggest secrets to getting results. Work it through the ends. Rub a little oil between your palms and smooth it over the ends of your hair to prevent split ends. Cover your hair. Use a plastic cap and leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for a deeper treatment. Rinse and style as usual. Since castor oil is thick, you may need to shampoo twice to get it all out. For best results, normal scalp, 1 to 2 times per week, dry or damaged hair. Up to 3 times per week, oily scalp. Once a week is enough. Remember, consistency is everything. You might see some results in 4 weeks, but noticeable thickness and length usually show after 2 to 3 months. Using too much oil, your scalp only needs a small amount to work. Not washing it out, product buildup can actually slow growth. Skipping scalp massage, this step is crucial for stimulation. If you stay consistent, castor oil can completely transform your hair. Pair it with a healthy diet, protective styles, and minimal heat, and you'll be amazed at the results. So, are you ready to give castor oil a try? Drop a comment below telling me how you plan to use it, and don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe for more natural hair growth tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.